So just finished clean, but everything from the front setup makes your job, your life a lot easier. You want to have a test light to make sure you don't blow any circuits if you're at a new property. We have 4 fans, 2 exhaust. These are the exhaust blowing out, and then these are the intake. But yeah, I mean, quick little small job. It's got a wet dry filter you could pop off, and yeah, I still had a little more solution, but I'd rather have more than not enough. But yeah, this is the money maker. This is my bread and butter right here. This Eclipse high power extractor. I mean, you could even use this for certain water restoration jobs if you have a ton of extraction to do and you don't have a truck mount, or you're in a high rise, or you just don't want to waste gas. You know, this is all green, going fully off of, 2 separate circuits, but yeah, this thing is amazing and I highly recommend it. It's by CleanCraft. If you did sign up with them, they'll give you a pretty good deal to use the products for a year. You can get a business starter package. They'll give you a discount, and you'll get green products for a year. You'll get to use the advertisement from their YouTube, and their customer service is amazing. I actually spoke to the guy, Bill. I think he's the owner's son, and very, very helpful. And they will always call you back if they don't answer, but every time I've called, they've answered. But yeah, having your hoses from the front makes a big difference on not getting things so tangled up, kind of keeping your work clean and organized. Again, some people have stuff on both sides, but I've gotten used to this, and I don't think I could go back to a regular extractor. Plus, when you want to dump, you just pull this out. You don't have to deal with a traditional, a lift wastegate for the tank. You gotta pull it up and it all splashes out everywhere. This will go directly down into somebody's toilet if you cannot dump outside. But again, Eclipse is top of the line, and this is gonna rival any of the high-end extractors, whether you're doing water restoration or carpet cleaning, upholstery, even if you're doing car detailing. To an extent, this is just kind of a one-stop shop. Again, you don't have to go for, triple vacuum and dual heater. I did because I do a lot of different jobs, and you really never know what you're gonna get. But if you get an extractor, make sure you have a test light so you can see that you have power before you go into a client's home and blow a circuit. That can be extremely embarrassing. And, I've been there and done that, and it really does seem like you're a novice. So yeah,